as a tourist in Korea. Your but ready, but. Oh, what does mean? It's so interesting, AK, yeah? Wow! Congratulations! That's nice. No. When you see your baby, you will see that, oh, I'm a dad now. Yes. Wow, congratulations, AK. You are truly blessed. That's nice. Wow, I'm happy for your success, AK. Congratulations. You will gonna be ready when you see your kid, your baby. You will gonna be happy. The, you know what? The beat, the beat of your heart is different. I don't know if you will gonna be cry with happiness or you will gonna jump of happiness. Yes, don't be nervous. Yes, that's nice. I'm happy for you, AK.